Have you ever heard of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency but felt overwhelmed by all the technical jargon and complexity surrounding it? Well, you're not alone. In this crash course, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrency, focusing on Bitcoin, and explore what the future holds for this digital currency phenomenon. Let's start with the big question. What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate independently of any central authority. This decentralized nature is one of the key features that sets cryptocurrencies apart. Now, when we talk about cryptocurrency, the name that often comes to mind is Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. It's based on a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. One of the key advantages of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is that they allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. This means lower fees and faster transactions, especially for cross-border payments. Additionally, the limited supply of Bitcoin, capped at 21 million coins, adds a scarcity value that some argue makes it a store of value similar to gold. But with all the hype around Bitcoin, there are also risks and challenges to consider. The volatility of cryptocurrency prices is notorious, with values often subject to rapid and unpredictable fluctuations. This volatility can be both an opportunity for traders looking to profit from price swings and a risk for investors who may see their holdings lose value just as quickly. Regulation is another hot topic in the cryptocurrency space. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this new form of money, balancing innovation and consumer protection. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies, while others have taken a more cautious approach, citing concerns about money laundering, tax evasion, and other illicit activities. Despite these challenges, the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies, blockchain, is being explored for its potential applications beyond finance. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems by providing transparent, secure, and tamper-proof record-keeping. As we look to the future of cryptocurrency, one thing is clear: the journey is just beginning. Whether Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will become mainstream forms of payment or remain on the fringes of the financial world remains to be seen. What is certain is that the impact of cryptocurrency on our economy and society will continue to unfold in the years to come. In conclusion, cryptocurrency, led by Bitcoin, represents a seismic shift in the way we think about money and transactions. It's a disruptive force that challenges traditional financial systems and opens up new possibilities for innovation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious bystander, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency is essential in navigating this evolving landscape. So, the next time you hear about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you'll have a better grasp of what it's all about. And who knows, you might even consider dipping your toes into this exciting new world of digital finance.